Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsnooze notifications on Slack to make sure you're back in the loop and receiving alerts in real time. Step 1. Locate the snooze indicator. When your notifications are paused, Slack gives you a visual cue so you know why your desktop has been so quiet. Look at your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. If notifications are snoozed, you'll see a small ZZZ icon or a crescent moon overlaid on your photo. This confirms that Do Not Disturb mode is currently active and blocking your incoming pings. Step 2. Access the pause menu. To turn the notifications back on, you need to head back to the same menu where you originally paused them. Click on your profile picture to open the main account menu. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Paused Notifications. In the 2026 update, this menu is dynamic. If your notifications are already off, the top option in the pop-out list will automatically change to Resume Notifications. Step 3. Resume and verify. One click is all it takes to wake up your app, but it's always good to double-check that the wall is actually down. Click Resume Notifications. You'll notice the ZZZ icon on your profile picture disappears immediately. If you want to be extra fast next time, you can also use the / command. Just type DND off in any message bar and hit enter. This instantly unsnoozes your notifications without you having to click through any menus at all. And that's pretty much it. To unsnooze your Slack notifications in 2026, click your profile picture, hover over Pause Notifications, and select Resume Notifications. Alternatively, just type DND off in any chat to instantly start receiving alerts again. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.